You're watching how to hide contact suggestion on Samsung when sharing photos from gallery. Open the gallery app on your Samsung phone and select any photo. Tap the share icon and arrow pointing up. At the top of the share menu, you will see a row of suggested contacts. To hide these suggestions for a specific contact, long press on that contact's icon. A small menu will pop up. Select hide or remove suggestion. The contact will be removed from that row. To disable the suggestions entirely, you need to adjust settings in the Samsung link sharing service. Go to your phone's settings app, scroll down and tap advanced features. Look for link sharing or quick share and tap on it. Inside link sharing settings, find an option like show contacts. To share with or suggest contacts, toggle this setting off. This will stop the gallery from suggesting contacts based on your sharing history. Another method is to clear the sharing history. In the gallery's share menu, tap the three-dot menu and look for manage sharing suggestions or clear history. Tap it to reset the learned suggestions. You can also go to settings apps, find gallery, tap storage and then clear cache. This may reset the suggestion algorithm. The suggestions are based on your frequent shares and messages. Reducing interaction with a contact in your messaging apps will also make them appear less often. These steps should hide the contact suggestions when sharing from the gallery. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.